guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are actually going to be doing a look with a palette that I haven't touched in quite a while. It's the Pro FUEGO palette, but I recently had a contest winner that I sent this out to, so I figured let's go ahead and bust out a look with it. Now the color scheme in this is so pretty. Look at that, it's so pretty. And I feel that it would work really well on several skin tones. Mine's pretty light, so we're gonna go with the lighter shades here, but let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is pop on a quick eyeshadow primer. All right, I haven't used this palette in almost a year now, so this look is about as much of a mystery to me as it is to you. The first one we are going to pick up will be this shade right here, and we are just going to start building that into our crease. Now the brush I'm going to use is kind of big and fluffy. We're just going to slowly start building that up in our crease. Now I took mine and started in the crease and kind of built it up onto the brow bones. You don't have to go up that high if you don't want to. It's, you know, makeup, it's all about comfort level. If you don't usually wear yours up that high, don't bring it up that high. Next, I'm going to take a brush that is not quite as fluffy as that last one. It's more of a rounded off, flatter, not flat, but not poofy brush. And I'm going to pick up this color right here and just start kind of working it into the crease. Don't go up, well, if you went up as high as I did, don't go up that high, because we're going to be smoothing that out here in just a second. Be careful with application because this is a pretty pigmented color, so it is possible that you put it on and you're just like, oh God. And it's so much easier to build up than it is to take off. Remember that. All right, once you've got some of that into your crease, kind of like this, go ahead and pick your fluffy brush back up and just go back and forth over, and we're just gonna kind of smooth that out and help it blend up into our other color a little bit. Now to make sure that everything up top blends seamlessly with everything down low, go ahead and pick that color back up again and put it onto your lower lash line and then blend it into what we've already got up top. Just make sure that they're connecting right here. All right, so the next color we're going to grab is going to be this one. Now we're going to use something a little bit more pointy because we really want to be able to get into specific spots and not get this all over the place, because this is a really dark color. So we're gonna have to be really careful with it. So we're just going to pick some of that up, make sure you tap off the excess because like I said, this is a very dark color. And we are just going to pat it on to the outer corner here. Like that. And we are also going to pat it onto our inner corner. Don't sweep it around yet, just lightly place it where you want it. Be careful with control. Like I said, it can go anywhere. I was trying to keep that middle part open, but accidentally touched it, and now we're just gonna have to work around that. Okay, now that I've got those in those two places, I'm going to take a fluffy angled brush and just kind of lightly work it out and up and kind of through the crease right here, making sure to also connect it a little bit at the bottom. Ideally, we want dark here, You can see color going across here because we're going to put a different color there in the middle. Now I'm holding the brush way down here because I'm trying to just barely touch this and move it around. I don't want to take off too much product. I don't want to move around too much product. I'm just trying to barely touch it and move just exactly what I want to move around and nothing more. Now let's go ahead and we're going to pick up a combination of this color and this color, these two, with our finger, like that. And we are just going to start patting it into that blank area there. Now, once you have that on, go ahead and pick this color up again and start blending it in until you can't really see where the two colors meet. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and pick up a somewhat small brush. And this super light shade here, we're gonna highlight our eyebrow area with it. Let's go ahead and pop some on in the inner corner as well. Now, as far as the eyeshadow goes, we are basically done. Here, if you want to go ahead and add eyeliner, mascara, whatever you want, just go ahead and finish off your look and we'll be right back.